accents and large glass windows, reflecting an interplay of light and shadow. The atmosphere is tranquil, embodying a blend of modern design and natural beauty, with warm autumn hues peeking through the trees. A charming courtyard scene featuring a rustic house with a whitewashed exterior, adorned with colorful flowers cascading from the windows and balconies. The vibrant orange and pink blossoms, particularly marigolds and bougainvillea, create a lively contrast against the earthy tones of the building. The setting is bathed in warm, natural sunlight, casting gentle shadows on the ground, which is composed of a mixture of pebbles and bricks. Potted plants of various sizes dot the space, adding lush greenery. A small wooden table sits center stage, inviting relaxation, with wrought iron chairs nearby. A vibrant courtyard scene featuring a beautifully tiled fountain as the focal point, surrounded by an array of colorful potted plants and flowers. The walls are painted in rich shades of orange and purple, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The central mosaic floor is embellished with intricate patterns in shades of blue, yellow, and red, adding a lively touch. Cascading flowers in various hues frame the space, while a rustic tiled roof provides a quaint backdrop. The overall aesthetic leans toward hyperrealism, with intricate details capturing the textures of the plants and tiles. A serene courtyard scene, reminiscent of a charming Mediterranean villa, bathed in warm, golden sunlight. The setting features rustic brick architecture, with terracotta tiles adorning sloped roofs, and vibrant green ivy cascading down walls. In the center, a tranquil pool is filled with lily pads, reflecting the surrounding greenery and blue sky. Surrounding the pool, terracotta pots overflow with colorful, blooming flowers, adding splashes of red, pink, and yellow against the earthy tones. Elegant wooden furniture, including a small table and chairs, invites relaxation under the large tree at the back, where dappled light creates a soft, inviting atmosphere. A quaint courtyard scene featuring a rustic two-story stone house adorned with vibrant bougainvillea cascading over the walls and roof. The facade displays a mix of weathered stone and wooden shutters, with a rich terracotta tiled roof. Lush greenery surrounds the entrance, where potted plants of various colors add splashes of life. The courtyard is bathed in warm sunlight, highlighting the textures of the stone and the vivid hues of the flowers, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. The overall aesthetic is hyper-realistic, capturing the rich detail of each plant and architectural element, with a focus on the interplay of light and shadow. A quaint courtyard scene featuring a rustic two-story stone house adorned with vibrant bougainvillea cascading over the walls and roof. The facade displays a mix of weathered stone and wooden shutters, with a rich terracotta tiled roof. Lush greenery surrounds the entrance, where potted plants of various colors add splashes of life. The courtyard is bathed in warm sunlight, highlighting the textures of the stone and the vivid hues of the flowers, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. The overall aesthetic is hyper-realistic, capturing the rich detail of each plant and architectural element, with a focus on the interplay of light and shadow. Cozy courtyard scene in a Mediterranean-style home, featuring rustic charm with warm, inviting colors. The setting includes a soft, natural stone floor, accented by lush greenery and terracotta pots filled with various plants. A prominent brick fireplace serves as the focal point, surrounded by an assortment of potted herbs and vibrant foliage. Two comfortable seating areas with plush cushions and decorative pillows create an intimate atmosphere, while elegant lanterns hang from the walls, casting a gentle glow. A vibrant courtyard scene in a tropical setting, featuring an open-air design with rich, warm terracotta walls illuminated by soft, golden sunlight. The courtyard is filled with lush greenery, including tall palm plants and ornamental foliage, creating a serene oasis. Elegant wicker seating with plush mustard yellow cushions is arranged around a low, rustic wooden coffee table, adorned with a small plant centerpiece. A patterned Persian rug anchors the space, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. Large arches frame the view, revealing hints of surrounding balconies and windows. Cozy outdoor living space under a wooden pergola adorned with string lights, circular seating arrangement with plush gray sofas and decorative throw pillows, a central stone fire pit glowing warmly, surrounded by a pebbled area and lush greenery. The scene features soft evening lighting, creating a tranquil and inviting atmosphere, with hints of lavender plants in rustic pots, wooden accents, and a stone pathway leading into the space. Cozy outdoor living space with two large orange couches adorned with gray and blue throw pillows, a central dark wooden table with a bowl of bright yellow lemons, and a striking tile fireplace illuminated by a warm fire, surrounded by lush greenery and potted plants. The setting is vibrant and welcoming, featuring intricate tile work on the fireplace and a richly patterned rug in warm tones of blue and orange. The aesthetic is a fusion of rustic charm and bohemian elegance, with terracotta roof tiles and natural light filtering through the trees overhead, creating dappled shadows. A serene and inviting modern architectural scene featuring a beautifully designed house with a combination of white stucco and natural stone elements. The setting includes a spacious outdoor area adorned with lush greenery and various succulent plants in terracotta pots. The house has a warm, Mediterranean aesthetic with a tiled roof and large soft beige and cream color palette with vibrant orange cushions for contrast, spacious sectional sofa positioned centrally, low wooden coffee table with books and decorative items, warm tones and natural materials. Cozy and inviting living room interior, featuring a large, comfortable white sofa adorned with plush, rust-colored cushions. The walls are painted a soft, muted gray, enhancing the light, airy feel of the space. Three large framed prints depicting serene landscapes with golden grasses are hung on the wall above the sofa. To the left, a tall tropical plant adds a touch of greenery, and a rattan chair offers a natural aesthetic. The floor is covered with a woven area rug in warm tones, complementing round, velvet poufs in a burnt orange hue. A modern, spacious living room with floor-to-ceiling windows showcasing a tranquil forest view, surrounded by towering green trees and a hint of mountains in the background. The room features two large, light-colored sofas facing each other, accented by bright, mustard yellow cushions. A sleek wooden coffee table sits at the center, adorned with a lush green plant. The fireplace, set against a smooth concrete wall, emits a warm glow, enhancing the coziness. A spacious, modern living room with an open-concept design, featuring a cozy arrangement of plush, neutral-toned sofas with rich, textured throw pillows in earthy colors like rust and beige. The room is illuminated by warm pendant lights hanging from exposed wooden beams, creating an inviting atmosphere. A large, rustic coffee table made of reclaimed wood sits at the center, adorned with decorative items and a small plant, adding a touch of nature. Interior scene featuring a cozy and inviting living room, designed in a modern aesthetic with a touch of bohemian charm. The focal point is an oversized, plush orange sofa adorned with soft gray and orange cushions. On the wall hangs an abstract painting depicting a lush tropical landscape with palm trees, framed in a minimalist style. A large macrame wall hanging adds texture and interest, while vibrant green plants flourish in the corners, enhancing the natural feel of the space. The floor is covered with a textured rug in earthy tones, complementing the warm wood accents in the room. Cozy modern living room interior with large glass windows overlooking a serene garden, warm autumn colors in the trees, a contemporary light beige sectional sofa adorned with orange cushions, a large wooden coffee table with minimal decor, a plush area rug, subtle ambient lighting emanating from built-in shelves filled with books, a sleek stone fireplace visible through the glass, soft shadows and warm light creating an inviting atmosphere, hyperrealistic style, emphasizing texture and natural materials, surrounded by lush greenery and soft outdoor lighting. Cozy living room interior, featuring a spacious L-shaped sectional couch with light beige upholstery adorned with orange and terracotta cushions, large floor-to-ceiling windows allowing warm golden sunlight to filter in, setting a tranquil mood, lush greenery visible outside, modern artwork on the walls including an impressionistic piece with autumn foliage and an abstract composition, a wooden coffee table in the center with a small potted plant and a wine glass, a soft area rug in orange tones complementing the decor. Cozy living room interior, featuring a spacious L-shaped sectional couch with light beige upholstery adorned with orange and terracotta cushions, large floor-to-ceiling windows allowing warm golden sunlight to filter in, setting a tranquil mood, lush greenery visible outside, modern artwork on the walls including an impressionistic piece with autumn foliage and an abstract composition, a wooden coffee table in the center with a small potted plant and a wine glass, a soft area rug in orange. Tones complementing the decor. Cozy, modern living room with a large, plush sectional sofa in a light beige fabric, showcasing tufted detailing. The room features wooden beams across the ceiling and rustic stone walls, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. A large bay window reveals a serene snowy landscape dotted with evergreen trees and distant mountains. The color palette includes soft neutrals with accents of black through decorative pillows. A round, tufted coffee table sits in the center, complemented by a smaller dark wood table adorned with minimal decorations. A bright and inviting contemporary living room with an oversized, vibrant orange sofa adorned with a mix of textured pillows in neutral and blue tones. The space features a large round white ottoman in the center, contrasting against an intricate orange and blue patterned area rug. A minimalist round coffee table sits atop the rug, holding decorative items. In the background, large windows allow natural light to flood the room, revealing a serene landscape outside. A large, calming ocean-themed painting hangs on the wall, complementing the coastal aesthetic. Spacious and inviting living room with large floor-to-ceiling windows showcasing a serene forest view. The aesthetic is hyperrealistic, capturing the texture of the soft, oversized cream-colored sectional sofa adorned with cozy throw pillows in warm earthy tones. A chunky, hand-knit jute rug lies underneath, complementing round, knitted poofs in burnt orange. A natural wood centerpiece defines the room, with a minimalist fireplace to the side, evoking warmth and comfort. Spacious modern living room with floor-to-ceiling windows showcasing a city skyline at dusk, featuring